Hello everybody. Welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. In case of any queries relating to competitive exam preparation after you complete your law, you can reach out to us anytime in the comment section of the videos that we provide at Legal Bee. You can also email us on hello@iexamb.com. Call us on the number 9205524028. आप हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज चेक कर सकते हैं on www.iexamb.com. उन कोर्सेज के डेमो आप ज़रूर एक्टिवेट करके चेक कर लीजिएगा एंड डाउनलोड आवर ऐप एंड प्रिपेयर विद अस 50% फास्टर फॉर योर जॉब्स. आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले अबाउट IBPS RRB Law Officer Examination. This is a scale to cadre post. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the details about this examination. This is an excellent opportunity for all the law graduates with some experience of work as well. This exam is conducted every year. The tentative calendar is out on the official website of IBPS. IBPS ही रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स के लिए भी रिक्रूटमेंट कंडक्ट करता है. जैसे स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर्स की पोस्ट होती है स्केल 1 की लॉ ऑफिसर्स के लिए, उसी तरीके से स्केल 2 की रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स में भी लॉ ऑफिसर्स की पोस्ट निकाली जाती है. दिस ईयर द टेंटेटिव शेड्यूल फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन इज ऑन 29th of September 2024. This is a single level examination. What is the qualification? Degree from a recognized university with 50% marks in aggregate. And as I told you, some experience is required. Some experience 2 years as an advocate or as a law officer in banks or financial institutions, but that is also at least 2 years. Eligibility for age is also there. 21 से 32 years के बीच में आपकी एज होनी चाहिए. What is the job profile? All the functions of the bank, ensuring all the rules regulations are being followed. Rules regulations laid down by RBI. Preparing legal documents on behalf of the bank. Compliances, implementation of government schemes, awareness about policies and schemes to local people, especially when we talk about the RRBs, regional rural banks के केस में awareness of policies, their implementation to the local people is a challenging task, and for that the law officers play a very important role, maintaining important data and files. Coming to the salary and the perks, which is of course a very good motivation and a need as well. This is the net salary ranging from 65,000 to 67,000 per month. These are the allowances, the perks. DA you will get, HRA you will get NPS as well. ये सारे allowances आप देख रहे हैं, medical, conveyance, traveling, leave. This is the exam pattern. As I told you, single level examination it is. 240 questions of 200 marks. Duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. Interview level होता है इसके बाद. And yes, in your single level examination you have a negative marking along with sectional cutoff. Merit list लगाई जाएगी आपकी 200 marks, written examination के, interview के 100 marks. एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न आपका प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज, रीजनिंग, फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हिंदी लैंग्वेज, कंप्यूटर नॉलेज, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड एंड डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन. Number of questions of 40. Each is carrying maximum marks of 40, 40, 40, 20, 20, 20 for English, Hindi, computers, cons DI 40. Total 200 questions 240. एक ही एग्ज़ाम है. कंपोजिट टाइम ऑफ 2 hours and 30 minutes. कमिंग टू द सिलेबस, रीजनिंग का सिलेबस है बेसिक. अगर आप IBPS SO के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे भी यही सिलेबस रहेगा आपका. पजल, सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट, सिलॉजिज्म, इनपुट आउटपुट, रैंकिंग, कोडिंग, डिकोडिंग. English comprehension is but obvious. para completion, para jumbles, vocabulary, error spotting, close test, rearrangement of sentences, match the columns, cons एंड डी आई दोनों आपका कंबाइन में है. ये सब बेसिक है. डी आई उसमें बार ग्राफ टेबल केसलेट परसेंटेज प्रॉफिट लॉस simple interest, compound interest, time, speed, distance, all of this is going to be there. Mensuration, probability, age, computer knowledge, the basics of computer, MS Office, history, hardware, software. Financial awareness it is. ये चीज़ आप ध्यान में रखिएगा. General awareness नहीं, financial awareness, very specific to the financial sector only. Indian financial system, international banking, schemes, budget, RBI circulars, banking awareness. Coming to the legal syllabus, NI Act, Banking Regulation Act, SERP Act, Constitution, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, IPC, CRPC, CPC, ये सब बहुत बेसिक है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये सारे एक्ट्स तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. बैंकिंग सेक्टर से डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, IPC, CRPC, CPC सब बेसिक. कंपनी एक्ट, TP एक्ट, कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन, बैंकिंग ओम्बड्समैन, सारे लॉज. हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट से भी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं RRB में. कुछ they actually divide the number of questions, they spread over different laws. Hindu Minority Guardianship Act, RERA, DRT Act, Passive Relief, Evidence, Torts, RRB Act because it is working under RRB, so RRB Act, FEMA, Hindu laws तो आ ही गए. Administrative Law and Principles of Natural Justice, jurisprudence and interpretation, legal terms and maxims, arbitration and conciliation. So this was all about the syllabus of the exam pattern, job profile, salary, and also I have told you the eligibility or qualification for this examination. It's a good opportunity for law graduates, those who are having a 2-year experience in their field, either as a practicing advocate or in the banking sector. Definitely they should go for this examination. If you have any queries, we are there to help you out. Prepare 50% faster with iExamB. Download our app from the Google Play Store. Check out all the features available at iExamB's app. Thank you everybody.